Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to easily drain the coolant from your Jeep Patriot. First, always prioritize safety. Make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns from hot fluids or components. Gather your tools, including a large drain pan, a suitable wrench, and safety glasses. Remember to wear protective gloves. Old coolant is toxic, so have a plan for its proper disposal according to local regulations. Next, let's find that drain plug. It's typically located on the passenger side at the very bottom of your radiator. For many Jeep Patriot models, removing the front bumper cover makes accessing this small, plastic petcock much easier. Once you have clear access, place a large drain pan, capable of holding at least 2 gallons, directly beneath the plug. Slowly open the drain plug and remove your radiator cap to ensure a smooth, complete drain. After the old coolant has fully drained, close the radiator drain plug securely. Now, refill your cooling system with distilled water. Start the engine and turn your heater to its highest setting. Let the engine run until it reaches its normal operating temperature, allowing the thermostat to open. Then, turn off the engine and drain the distilled water. Repeat this process of filling with distilled water, running the engine, and draining until the water coming out is completely clear. This ensures all old coolant is removed. Finally, close the drain plug and refill your system with the appropriate OAT coolant, typically a 50/50 mix. Using a spill-free funnel and elevating the front of your Jeep can greatly assist in bleeding air. Start the engine with the heater on high, allowing it to reach operating temperature. Gently squeeze the upper and lower radiator hoses to help dislodge any trapped air bubbles. Continue this until no more bubbles appear in the funnel. Check your coolant reservoir level over the next few days and top off as necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.